Alright, good morning everyone. We're back in the port city of Yura. It's in Tsuruoka City, and we're going to go fishing for hopefully madai or yellowtail or mebade, whatever type of fish are biting this time of year. So it's the end of April, and last night we actually spent the night here in the fishing village of Yura. So we spent the night at the guest house of Houma. So they had a really nice fish dinner, they had some comfortable rooms, and most importantly they're right next to the port. And after we catch our fish today, we're going to go cook at Houma. So first of all, we have our boat here. This is Kyosen Mother. The fishing captain's name is Mr. Ikeda. And we're about to ship off. And by the way, we're out here with 4 other people. And it's all your first time fishing?
Yes.
Basically.
Fishing here,
serious
yeah.
fishing. Yeah.
Real fishing.
In Japan, yes.
Nice, nice. So we'll be teaching them how to do it, and hopefully we'll catch some fish here.
Okay.
Hey.
All right,
let's do it.
Get it done.
Woo!
All right, so we're now at our first fishing spot right now. So we're about in 70-meter water, and so yeah, everyone started fishing, but I'm supposed to teach everyone, but actually I got lucky and got the first fish. So the fish we have here is actually called an amadai. So it has a similar name to the Japanese sea bream, but it's actually not related. I think it's kind of a tile fish. They go really, really good when you fry them, and they're actually really expensive too. I think these can fetch like over $40 or $50 or $60 in Tokyo, but you can catch them for free off the coast here at Tsuruoka. So I hope we can catch some more. All right, so Michael, what do you think it is?
I don't know. It's strong.
Is it strong?
Strong guy.
Yeah, there you go. Amadai. Amadai, amadai, amadai. Yes, yes, yes. Nice, it's a good size.
Got flatfish from the bottom. So we're getting lucky with the bottom feeders today.
I'm tired. Getting tired.
So why don't you tell us what's going on?
I'm fighting for my life here.
And just keep going. Okay, it's here. Here it comes. Oh, it's huge!
So big! Oh!
Hi.
Dick! I told you it was huge!
Oh my god!
Sushi for everybody!
Okay.
Yeah, alright friends, this is what we're after. This is what we're here for. This is how you do it. Come on out.
What is this?
This is a madai, right?
Mm-hmm.
We're a big old madai. Looks fantastic, looks delicious, cannot wait to eat it.
Alright, so right now, with the fish that Alexis caught, it's such a big fish and it's such a prized fish that he's doing a technique that's called Ikejime. It's to destroy the spinal cord, destroy the nerves in the spinal cord while the fish is still alive. And by doing this, it helps preserve the ATP in the fish, helps preserve the flavor in the fish, and then it makes the fish even more delicious. So we're gonna destroy the nervous system, and then we're gonna bleed out the fish, and then we're gonna make some really good food. And so the way he knows it is that when he pierces the spinal cord, the color in the fish goes white for an instant, and then the color comes back, and that's how you know you got the nerve. Alright, so we just got back to the port here. We had a pretty good day of fishing. We caught all different types of fish here. We caught amadai, we caught huge madai, we caught flatfish, we caught several other species, including some fugu. So now with these fish, we're gonna go cook them at a local guest house. Alright, so here's the fish that we caught from the boat, and we brought it back into the town of Yura. It was about a 5-minute walk from the port. And so here's the Houma guest house. This is the place where we stayed last night. It's where we had dinner. It has onsen baths. It has nice private rooms. It's a comfy little guest house. So not luxurious, but pretty comfortable and right next to the port. And the best part is what we're going to do right now. It's because we are going to cook the fish that we caught. Let's head inside. Alright, so now we're inside the Houma guest house and we're inside the kitchen. So I just want to really point out and also thank the Houma family, because I think it's just so rare for a guest house or for anyone, any local people, to open up their personal kitchen like this and then let us cook our fish together. Because as you can see, for the size of the fish that we caught, if you're a tourist in this area, there would be no way for you to do anything with the fish. They're too big, and unless you have a full-size kitchen, you would not be able to prepare them. So part of the wonderful part about fishing in Tsuruoka City, that fishing in the small fishing village of Yura, is that the local people can open up their kitchen, and they can also be with us to teach us how to fillet the fish. So right now we're going to start by descaling some of the sea bream, and then we're going to learn the other ways to prepare the many different types of fish we caught. So once we started cooking in the kitchen, everything was moving so fast. We caught so many types of fish, and we caught so much fish that we were just in a flurry cooking all the food, having a lot of fun. We had the fish as sashimi, we had it grilled, we had it as hot pot, we had it as tempura. And so after spending all day out in the ocean, cooking together in the kitchen, and having a wonderful feast, I think that we're all feeling a little bit sleepy now, but overall just a wonderful day. And so again, if you want to catch your own fish, I really encourage that you spend the night here in Yura, go out in the morning, and cook together with local people. And again, this is an experience that you can book yourself, so if you're interested in that, please check the link below and please send us a private message and we'd be happy to arrange it for you. Because when Japan reopens, I think a lot of local people like this, they would love to welcome you. Anyways, thanks so much for watching today, and then please look forward to more videos this summer. Thank you.